pa yung atake.
Exactly, partner.
Cortez against Santos.
Nice
Beautiful
shot.
play there by Ricarte Santos. Loho against Labasano. Rick with the speed up. Catching Labasano unprepared. He played it to the forehand side of Ricarte Santos and then punishing him by burying it very deep into Ricarte Santos' backhand side, where Santos then makes the error catching the net. Beautiful
Sa kanila
posture.
lang simple yun. sa atin napakahirap nun.
Now, backhand attacks. Santos winning it. Bumaba para kunin yung bola. They're not playing it tall. They're not standing upright. They're buying themselves time by being very low.
Plus, they're always moving pa.
Oo,
Hindi sila stationary.
never. Saka kita mo dito yung laki ng sakop ng court ni Ricarte Santos. Grabe.